the coordinator of Afrique Research Support Hub program. This is an initiative or a collaboration between the African Population Health Research Center with Wellcome. It was launched last year. It is actually a capacity strengthening program for early and medical researchers in Africa. We are trying to build their capacity regarding the discovery research in Africa. Discovery research because it's one of the areas that we have seen it's not highly developed in Africa, so we'd like people to embrace discovery research and make sure that it is highly developed and the people are taking it up, because it's the future of research in Africa if it wants to be developed.
The way we really designed this program is to help African researchers to develop the ideas. The idea is that we want to provide skills to develop ideas that are winning ideas. That's the idea behind this program. And to have winning ideas, we know there are a lot of things that needs to be considered. Do they have the ability to really define the research gap? We have to give them those skills. Do they have the ability to define novel methodologies to answer those research questions that they have? Do they have the ability to sell the ideas to funders? But also, do they have the ability to develop full proposals that are strong enough to be competitive? The
way this program is designed is that we are targeting all African countries, sub-Saharan African countries. So to be able to reach these countries, we have decided that we will create 3 regional satellite stations where we have the East African region, the Southern African region, the Central and West African region. So this time we have started with the East African region, where we have had the first cohort of people trained. They will be trained and mentored for 1 year. This week we have had their first training, in-person training, but we are not going to stop from here. We continue for the next 12 months, where they will be mentored by people. We are going to match them with mentors, experienced researchers who will help them to go through, improve their career in discovery research, and also being able to compete for international grants, global grants on discovery research funding.
The session I found the most impactful was the budgeting session, because I haven't formally been trained on budgeting, using an objective approach. So for me, that really stood out, and that's an area I often struggle with when working on my proposal, how to pick up the budget items and then, actually budget objectively for each of those budget items, including the staffing and how to allocate the amount of time that the staff I'll have on my grant will spend. So that really has enhanced my ability to now complete my grant application in a timely manner.
The workshop has significantly improved my ability to write a compelling and clear research proposal. Learning how to structure my research proposal in such a way that the objective, the research idea is presented in an understandable and convincing way to the funders.
Learning from the people who have been winning grants was very, very helpful. Like they gave us the practical tips of how to write the problem statement. The other was the discussion on community engagement. We actually examined why most innovation tended to fail, because we ignore the community engagement bit. We develop innovation and then we go to test it, rather than engaging the community from the developmental stage, especially the discussion around implementation of science, human-centered design. And as I mentioned before, the discussion on budget, the types of budget and how to approach the budget. We were able to look at the different budget templates, and also how to craft the budget justification. Those 3 areas have been very, very informative to me.
In this workshop, I like the discussion part, the area where they call open market, where you have time to tell to others what you are doing, and you hear from them. It is a chance to speak to your research in a very short time, and when they give you comments, you get challenged, then you discover an area of improvement. Then it is a very good moment in this workshop, as it gives you it is a kind of guidance to discover what you did not discover it before when you were writing your proposal?
From this workshop, what I have gained from our seniors, expertise review, especially improved my previous knowledge and my previous proposal writing style. The peer review, expertise review, their feedback, I have gained a lot, and I will continue to work on that track to achieve my career goal, as well as those who provide logistics and or in general for funders.
There are so many benefits, like I've observed. First of all, I had the chance to interact with the participants from the beginning, at the baseline, day one, and now we have interacted with them almost in the final day. And I've seen a number of improvements in the way they are articulating components of the research proposal. And the beauty with this workshop is that they came with draft ideas, and the output from this workshop is a reviewed grant concept, which they can work on and implement for resource mobilization. So I think these workshops, if done or implemented in several countries in Africa, they can increase the research capacity and also the ability of African scientists to mobilize research funds.
So the key takeaways from this training are one, on discovery research. One, that it's still needed a lot, more than I even imagined. But then even more importantly, linked to that is that even as we think about discovery research and how to develop proposals, we need to also think about the community. How will it apply to them? And so for me, that's one of the takeaways, that even as I write my grant proposals, it's to think of the community. How will it ultimately translate to them? And how can I prepare for that all the way from the preparation stage, so that at the point of translation, then it's clear to the people with whom I am applying the work I'll be doing.
The fact that there are so many people like me who are struggling to improve, but we have high commitment. The fact that we came together and we were able to look at each one's proposal and provide comments, the opportunity to give comments to peers, proposal at the same time receiving proposals from comments from peers, as well as comments from the experts in different fields. That has been very, very helpful for me in terms of revising my proposal.
The important thing I got from this workshop is that we need others to hear from what you're doing, and also you need to hear others what they're doing and provide a useful feedback to them.
For me, I think what I think away from this workshop, I think, is the whole process of questioning what they want to do. It's very important for them to really sit, reflect of what they're proposing, looking at it again with a fresh eye, critically, and see if they're really ticking all the boxes. Like, are they really, identify a research niche that is important, pertinent? Have they identified research questions that actually fill a certain gap within the knowledge that we have right now? But also, what I think they go home with is the skills on networking, because we put them with along peers today, the whole week, 25 fellows, and they will be together for a whole 1 year, working together. They will be paired with mentors. So what they get out of that is really how to network, how to collaborate, perhaps finding people to collaborate with this group that they have been put together this week, but also how they learn from each other. So the peer review, because we've used the peer review process this week, for example, how to learn from peers, especially people working in the same field, how to improve the work, but also the potential of collaborating further beyond this event. They can actually decide within their own institutions to collaborate to deliver on even bigger proposals.